Get in the kitchen a lot at home? Do you guys get in there and mess it up together?
My husband's from the South. I don't need to do any cooking.
Oh, you just sit on back and enjoy.
He's got grandma's recipes. We're good.
That is amazing.
He doesn't love it that I don't cook, but you know, that was kind of the deal at the beginning. I feel like growing up on television, there's a few things I never learned to do. I go to work in my pajamas with my hair wet, like not made up. Someone makes me up, puts clothes on me, and feeds me. So these are things I never learned to do for myself.
Those are some awesome things, though, because you got out of so many chores.
But then there's a few years where, like, I haven't worked, and I'm like, I got to put on makeup. I don't even know how
Oh, my God,
do
it's
that.
horrible.
I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, when I'm not here, I roll with no makeup, unless I got to go to a function or family thing or something.
And then you're like, eyebrows? What do I do with the eyebrows?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
I'm like this.
Yeah, so that's me with
I
cooking.
look like Picasso.
One's arched, one's straight. No, I do the same thing with cooking, though. I'll be like, you know, I once tried to get Jessica Seinfeld's book, The Deceptively Delicious.
Amazing. Yeah.
I was like, I'm going to do that with my kids. So my firstborn was like 1 maybe. So I'm like, I'm going to make some mac and cheese with squash and blah, 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 blah. Do this whole thing. I get the water boiling, and I get that on, right? That's got to take some time.
That's good. You could boil the
then
water.
Then I go start to do all the chopping for the week or whatever else is like you're supposed to do, and then I realize the pot is like smoking. It's smoking. I burnt water. I had to throw away the pot. Like, I totally burnt the water. Oh, and then the next round, so then I get the water.
I have never met, and I've done the show Worst Cooks several times, I've never met anyone that burned water.
I burned the water.
That is awesome.
It totally evaporated. That's how long it was on the stove. Or how little water I put in. I don't know.
Yeah.
But the next time around, so then I stood there and watched it the next time, and I put the macaroni in, but not like, you know, I put real elbow macaroni in there. Filled the pot up. I didn't know it expands. So it totally and so it's burning on the bottom. I can't even get in to turn it because it's like expanded so much. It's like overflowing like popcorn.
Oh, let Dad stay in the kitchen.
I'm done. I'm done. That was it. That was like 12 years ago. I'm done.
Hilarious. So you gave us a look at your on-set kitchen where you fake cook on your TV show.
I did, well, because I'm a chef. So I'm a chef. Shh, don't tell anyone.
Not method acting there. All right, let's take a look at the fake chef in the kitchen.
Hey! All right, this is our set of No Good Nick. I want to show you guys our kitchen set. So come here. So my character, Liz, is a chef, so I spent a lot of time in the kitchen. So here we have a drawer. A lot of sets don't have the drawers that function. This one actually functions. So over here, we have a stove. Doesn't work. No gas. We don't have gas on the stage here. We also don't have plumbing. No water. So fake sinks. We can't wash hands or anything like that. So if we have to do that, they have to bring in a hose and run the hose. One of my favorite appliances in real life is the KitchenAid mixer. I can make my cookie dough in here. I can make my favorite pie at Christmas time. I love that. A fridge fully stocked with fake food. And some real food, but there's no electricity, so it's very stinky. This is always my least favorite part. Like, if you could get a whiff of this odor, it's fabulous. This has been here all season, right? So these are just like dried foods and Cheerios and marshmallows, but this has been here since September, so probably pretty stale. Not gonna want to eat it, but it looks pretty, right? Over here you got the wine rack. I think somehow this crew is just very trustworthy because they haven't touched any of the alcohol yet. And then here we have a staircase that the kids on the show, so I have 3 teenagers, and they go up and down this staircase to get to and from their bedroom. But look at there, nothing up there. They just go up there and then they stand and wait. And that is the set, the kitchen set specifically, of No Good Nick.